Hello guys. So today we will talk about different important documents that are required for export business from India. Yeah. So if you are looking forward for starting an export business and you are an Indian citizen, so you need to know about some of the important documents, which is very important if you're doing export business. Okay. So we will talk about first is IEC, that is Import Export Code. So, what is Import Export Code? So, if you want to do business, export business from India, you have to take this particular code, import or export, whatever business you want to do, basically import export. So, you have to take this import export code and you can take this license from DGFT website, that is Directorate General of Foreign Trades. Okay, guys. So without this, you cannot do export or import. Second important document is LUT number, that is letter of undertaking. So you can take LUT number, which you can get from the GST portal. So GST portal, you can file directly from GST portal for free of cost, or you can take the help of a CA, that is chartered accountant. And a letter of undertaking, that is basically LUT, could be a document that exporter can file to export goods or services without having to pay taxes. Understood? Because if you are exporting goods from India, you need not have to pay the GST. Yeah, so this is the government rule. There is no GST in export, but you should have to give GST in the initial stage, and after that, you can reclaim via a refund against the tax paid. But if you have LUT number, that is letter of undertaking, you can initially itself avoid the GST. Means you need not have to pay the GST initially itself. So need not have to go through all this long process, like initially you have to file, then you have to reclaim via a refund against the tax paid. You need not have to do all this thing. Initially itself, if you have LUT number, that is letter of undertaking, you can avoid paying GST and you can export by giving 0.1% GST. So this is LUT number. That is why it is very important, because there is no sense of first giving the GST, then again reclaiming the GST against the tax paid. So this is a very typical process. So take LUT number, letter of undertaking, and avoid all this typical process. So guys, this is the second point, LUT number, second certificate. And the third document is RCMC, that is registration cum membership certificate. So guys, there are many important benefits are associated for export business in India. So government want to uh, promote the export business, because government want to increase the foreign reserve, because if we sell product to international buyer, we will get foreign currency from them. So it is very much required. So that is why government is promoting, and for the promotion, government is providing incentives option to the exporters. So that is why, and for claiming all these benefits, you need to take this particular document, that is RCMC, registration cum membership certificate. And it's important to notice that for each product, there is an export promotion council, and every individual product is promoted by export promotion council. So if you are basically doing business in agriculture, then you have to approach Export Promotion Council, that is dealing with agriculture product. And for agriculture product, for your information, you have to basically take APEDA license, that is APEDA. The full form is Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. So this is all about three very important license which you need to take if you want to do export business from India. So again, I'm going to repeat, guys, for a revision. First is IEC, that is Import Export Code, which you can get from DGFT website, that is Directorate General of Foreign Trades. Second is LUT number. LUT number is letter of undertaking. So which means if you want to avoid GST initially, then you can take this LUT number, and you can export by giving 0.1% GST, and no need to go through a long process, like first giving the GST and then reclaiming it. So all this typical process will be vanished if you are going to take LUT number, that is letter of undertaking. Third is RCMC certificate, registration cum membership certificate. So if you want to claim all the benefits that has been given by the government of India, so you should have to take this particular registration, that is RCMC. Okay, guys, thank you so much.